Wait, I'm recording.
Okay, it's on looping. I don't know what looping means. Woo. Bruh.
It's about to be the end of a decade. Oh. It is like we are 2020 seeing 2020 vision.
Whoa.
You are the world.
Dutch Bros coffee fee.
Shaking from the caffeine. Oh wait. Here you go.
Kofefe. Oh yeah, bobo. Wow. Let's try this. Woo! Let's go here. Oh! Whoa! Let's go Hawaii! Haha, true.
Oh. Ha. How you doing down there?
You want a brownie?
Merry Christmas.
I wish someone taught me how to survive in the wild.
Sturdy and safe. So, when you do so, you can be protected from nature. Use it to your advantage, not disadvantage. What you're gonna want to do is put Tinder underneath. And don't just simply swipe right. Put some underneath.
Day began. On to life. After being so isolated for so long, we began to develop a bit of trust issues.
He was trying to kill me.
Hold on to the bridge by slide down. Think about the money.
George.
Ask what you can do for your country.
You get a little bit, butter. I don't want to be too slick.
I want a couple toast.
Mija, uno momento. So, as you saw,
I need more data for my iPhone.
Mija.
I need you to carry more of my lineage. Our daughter is a disgrace.
The better half of the.
I'm leaving.